Hi, how are you doing? I hope you are ready to learn a little bit about the planet we call home. This is our only planet, and I think we should know a little bit about it, right?
Earth is the third planet from the Sun and only planet known to have life. Earth was formed a very long time ago. Actually, it was from 4.5 billion years ago. Billion with a B.
It's time to see how big the Earth really is. Earth diameter is 12,756 kilometers. It is hard to imagine how big it is. You can measure a golf ball or a soccer ball. Even if you can't measure the difference between two cities, you probably know the distance in time. Imagine you put your car on a cruise control for 100 kilometers per hour and drive through the middle of the Earth nonstop, no brakes, no sleep. It will take you almost 5.5 days to get to the opposite side, from A to B. Earth's circumference is over 40,000 kilometers. That's almost 17 days of nonstop driving.
Total Earth surface is 510 million square kilometers in total. 30% is land and the remaining 70% is covered in ocean.
Let's look at the oceans. It is not just one ocean, there are five oceans, each of them with its own character and border. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. This is where the Atlantic Ocean meet the Pacific Ocean. You can see the borders clearly, can't you? Next time, when you fly over to any of these oceans, book a window seat and keep an eye out. You may be able to see the ocean borders. Even some of the big seas like Caribbean Sea, you could clearly see the border between Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. It covers a vast area between Americas, Arctic Ocean, Europe, Australia, and Southern Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean forms a elongated shape between the Americas, European and Africa. It is also spans between Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean.
The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Indian Ocean is bounded by Asia, Africa, Australia, and Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean, is a newly named ocean. It is the second smallest of the five oceans. The Southern Ocean, extending from Antarctica to approximately latitude line of 60 degrees south. Side note about the Southern Ocean. In 2002, International Hydrographic Organization defined the Southern Ocean's north limit as 60 degrees south. It has not been accepted by everyone, particularly Australia. The boundaries of the Southern Ocean have been shrinking and is moving further and further south since 1928. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest, shallowest, and coldest of the world five oceans. Arctic Ocean is located mostly in the Arctic North Pole. Arctic Ocean touches Europe, Asia, and North America. Can you remember all the five oceans from big to small? Hmm. If you don't worry. I have a secret. Can you remember the sentence? Peter and Isaac sailing away in an ocean. Peter and Isaac sailing away in an ocean. Each word has letters that in common with the oceans. See, Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean, right? So Peter is the first word. Peter, the P and the Pacific Ocean P are in common. And do you know what is the second largest ocean? You are right. It's Atlantic. So the A and AN, you can see them again. Atlantic. The at has the A and then Atlantic has an AN. Remember, this is the second largest ocean. What is the third one? Indian Ocean. Yes, I. Indian Ocean. It's for Isaac. Then Southern Ocean. Sail. S. Away. Finally, the A is for Arctic. Make sure to remember Atlantic and Arctic both start with A. So it's a bit confusing. So Peter and Isaac sailing away in an ocean. So the sentence has an ocean. So you know it's for the oceans from big to small. Now let's move on to the land surface. Land is divided into 7 continents. We will look at from the largest to the smallest in size. So, do you know what is the largest continent is? Asia is the largest continent with over 44 million square kilometers and the most populous continent with a population of almost 4.5 billion people. Asia is bordered by 3 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and 2 continents, Europe and Africa. Africa is the second largest continent with over 30 million square kilometers and the second most populous continent with a population of 1.3 billion. Africa is bordered by Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Atlantic Ocean, Europe, Mediterranean Sea, and Isthmus of Suez, the third largest continent. Yes, North America is the third largest continent with 24 million square kilometers and fourth populous continent with a population of over 592 million people. North America is bordered by 3 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. Only one continent borders North America. It is South America, and it's also bordered by Caribbean Sea. South America is the fourth largest continent with a size of over 17 million square kilometers and a fifth populous continent with a population of 428 million people. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent with over 14 million square kilometers and least populated continent with only 4,000 people. Most of them are scientists, and the continent is surrounded by Southern Ocean. Europe is the sixth largest continent with over 10 million square kilometers and third populous continent with a population of 742 million people. Europe is bordered by 2 oceans: Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, and one continent, Asia. Australia is the smallest continent with over 8 million square kilometers and the sixth populous continent with a population of over 41 million. The continent of Australia don't have any land borders. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean as well as Coral Sea. Can you remember the seven continents from big to small in size? Yeah, it's a hard job. Okay, remember, I have a secret. I'm going to teach you. Asha Africa need songs and easy audition. Asha Africa need songs and easy audition. I guess Asha is want to be a musician. She need a good song and an easy audition so she can win. Let's see. Why did I choose these words? You know, it's a complication with remembering the continent big to small or even remember all of them. There is four of them that start with A, right? Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. So we just need a little bit of help from some other letters. So if you look at Asha, AS, yes, it matches Asia. Then Africa. It's easy. The last name of Asha is Africa and the continent is Africa. Asha, Africa. Need, N. Yes, North America is the third largest continent. Song, yes, S. South America. An. So, AN and Antarctica also has AN. E, easy. Europe, E. Audition, Australia, AU and AU. So, I think you can remember it. Can you remember? Asha Africa need songs and easy audition. You know, if you have a friend name that start with AS or AF, switch it. Like my daughter has a friend Astrid. So she would say Astrid Africa need a song and easy audition. Here are some fun facts about our precious planet. 175 million years ago, all the seven continents were joined together to make one superplanet called Pacnia. Uh, it would have been easy to travel if it's just one superplanet, right? Did you know Earth one has eight continents? Yeah, that one was called Zealandia and now it's underwater. You can see some part of it though. New Zealand, New Caledonia, and few specks of the land, small islands, are above the ocean level, Pacific Ocean. And you can still see them. Scientists are trying to draw and map out the ocean floor to see where and how Zealandia was lost and how much of it is lost. Think about it for a second. The earth is not actually a sphere. What? Yep. In fact, it is geode. This this is simply means that the rounded shape has an elongated bulge toward the equator, just like on the other side of the screen. So What causes this to happen? Yes, it happens because of the earth rotation. When the earth rotates, there is a force and it's expanding the middle. And the picture is a little bit more exaggerated, but it is a little bit wider in the center than from top to bottom.
Thank you for watching Our World, the Earth video. Please subscribe and like so I can eat my ice cream.